orchard farm. Hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is farm day. Farm day. I'm out here at the orchard farm, trying to find fresh organic produce. What a better place to come, and what a better day to actually visit this farm. Today is a beautiful, beautiful 82 degrees temperature, the best of Las Vegas weather. So I am so glad you come along with me. I'm going to take you around and see what's on the farm. Just to give a little bit of tidbit about this farm. This farm has been around for about 90 years. It's a family farm. I think it comprises of about 1,500 acres. I think the farming itself is about 200 acres. This place you'll find also an artesian spring known as the Lower Tule Spring. So we're here to check out to see what's available today, produce-wise. And there we go. I'm glad you come along with me. So my friends, if you like kamote tops or sweet potato tops, which is very, very popular in Asia and especially in the Philippines, you have acre and acre and acres of sweet potato top here at the orchard farm. And now I'm going to take a look at the sunflower patch, and there's a lot of it. Not all crops are already available because of the time of the year, but there's still a lot to choose from. Oh, look what we got here. Oh, lots of pumpkin buds, pumpkin flowers. Oh man, another sweet Asian specialties. I wonder if we can harvest. Again, acres and acres of pumpkin. Oh, yes. Oh, okay. All right. So here we are at the sunflower patch. Oops. Should have brought me a knife for harvesting, which I will. How beautiful. And what a day to be out here. Just trying to get you off camera unless you want to. Okay, so there are sunflowers as far as the eye can see. So I'm going to be going ahead and harvest some of these sunflowers. I guess the way it works here is that it's a community farm. So you basically, whatever you select, you pay at the end. And so that's the way it works here at Gilcrease farm. So I'm going to be starting to harvest some sunflowers and make my way back. So my friends, here we are. This is another type of sunflowers, bright yellow. Beautiful. As far as the eyes can see. Sunflowers. It's a beautiful patch to be in. Beautiful sight to see. All right, my friends, so we're looking at a bed of squash. Not much happening here. Like I said, this is actually off season at this point. You will not find a lot of produce here. We're in the dead of summer. Where most things already harvested, or most produce already harvested. And I believe there's not much place to go but in the orchard. These are more squash. Beautiful day to be out here. Like I said, 82 degrees temperature, 82 degrees Fahrenheit. It doesn't get any better than this. What do we got here? Got a bloom. Oh yeah. So today is farm day, yay! A day of nature. What a place to clear the head. Out of the exhaust to a place of peace and tranquility. Beautiful. Okay, we found some more blooming squash. Lots of blooms. Lots of blooms. Okay, my friends, we are now in the orchard itself. Lots of baby apples. So my friends, this is a perfect example of the layers of Las Vegas of which I spoke. Farming. You would ask yourself the question, farming where? Yes, right here in Las Vegas. in the desert. Berried fruits and vegetables, and wine for that matter. Grapes are grown here too, as seen in some of my earlier videos. It's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. I could stay here all day. But I need wine. So my friends, in the grand scheme of things, I had to wait for my apple pie. As you can see, these apples are just baby apples. But the one thing for sure, we know it's here. I can always come back. Oh, it is a beautiful walk, and there's still more to see. We'll see how far we get. So my friends, we're now at the almond trees. The almond trees walk. I'm not sure it can be described that way. But I think what I'm looking at here is probably in the acres. Of course, it's out of season. Let's see if I'm lucky to find any. Let's take a look. Yes. I found an almond. Beautiful. and relaxing. Okay, my friends, so this is another type of fruit tree that I cannot discern. I'm not sure exactly what it is. And there's no label along the way to say what it is. But I guess I'll figure it out sooner or later. So this area is split. The larger proportion appears to be the almond, and I would say 40% are these trees, which I will eventually figure out what they are. Okay, my friends, we're looking at the commodity type adobo style from our harvest today at Gilcrease Orchard Farm. It looks yummy. And okra from the backyard. Okay, dear friends, so this is where I wrap it up here at Gilcrease Farm. It was really a fun walk. I am so glad you could come along with me. Not a whole lot to see here, simply because it is off season. So there's a lot of products, a lot of produce rather, that is not readily available. But look forward to taking it back here with us sometimes. Until then, this is your Jamaican on the Move. One love, peace. Have a fantastic day. Love you, my friends.